And so where we're at in the process of this exterior detail we're working on a Chevy Camaro today is we've washed the entire exterior. So really, you know, what are we doing when we're washing a car? We're trying to get all the dirt and debris, the major like bird droppings, or if you have bugs on the outside, we're trying to get all of that off with washing the vehicle. The second thing is clay barring the vehicle, which you can see some of our other videos where we've used a clay bar to remove topical debris, bird sap or bird droppings, sap and other things off the surface of the paint. Now really the next step is to use an iron remover, and we're going to spray that over the entire surface of the vehicle. Just for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and do the hood and then along this panel here to show you what it looks like when you're using a good iron remover. What is an iron remover? Iron remover is simply a cleaning agent that goes into, essentially think of the paint on a vehicle as like the exterior of your skin. It's very porous, and so what we're trying to do is to get into the pores of the paint. We're trying to clean the paint and bring everything to the surface and wash it off before we apply a wax and polish the vehicle. So we've washed this vehicle, we've clay barred it, and now the next step is to clean the paint with an iron remover. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the hood and just show you what it looks like. So this particular iron remover and most iron removers that you use are going to be it's going to be clear as it goes on. And you want to get a good spray bottle that's going to mist properly. It's going to apply it nice and even. And you're not going to hurt anything if you get it on some plastic. If you get it on the glass, it's not the end of the world. It's actually going to clean it really